Hello everyone, welcome to Shilpi AI podcast. Today, we are diving into a topic. How does the concept of drawback apply to goods manufactured and exported in GST? The concept of drawback in the context of goods manufactured and exported in GST remains the same as before. Under the GST regime, the drawback is available only on the customs duties paid on imported inputs and central excise duty on specified items used as inputs or fuel for captive power generation. The drawback scheme allows exporters to claim a refund of the duties paid on imported goods that are later exported. The refund is granted under Section 74 of the Customs Act, 1962, read with the re-export of imported goods, drawback of customs duty, rules, 1995. For goods that are not put into use after import, a drawback of 98% of the duty paid is admissible. However, if the goods have been put into use after import, the drawback is granted on a sliding scale basis depending on the extent of use. It is important to note that no drawback is available if the goods are exported 18 months after import. The rate of drawback for unused goods is 98% of the import duty, while for used goods, it is determined based on notified rates depending on the period of use. The drawback is allowed as per the All Industry Rate, AIR, notified by the Drawback Directorate. It is worth mentioning that the concept of drawback remains unchanged under GST, except for the fact that if the drawback is claimed by a domestic tariff area (DTA) supplier, the claim needs to be filed with the jurisdictional customs authorities. Thank you for tuning with Shilpi AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay informed.